If you get your butt just an inch higher, you'll set a high school record.
Kaori.
Come on. Oh, your stomach's growling.
The competition!
Now, don't you worry, Saya. There's always the next one.
Mm-hmm.
I picked you up a little something. I figured you'd be hungry when you woke up.
Magic word.
Nankuru Naisa.
You got it, Saya.
Yeah.
Let's go home.
Let's.
Hey, I have an idea. Let's go out to lunch together.
I don't know.
If it weren't for me, Saya, you'd never eat. Come on, let's go get moving.
Kaori, stop!
Kai is absolutely right, Saya. And to stay strong, a warrior needs to eat. Are you hungry? Okay. Let's get down to the kitchen and get you some lunch.
I'm sorry. It's not important.
So, are you very hungry?
No, not really.
Yes, you are. I'll make you breakfast.
What do I do now? I got so confused.
Are you still confused?
Lisa. Lisa?
You're hungry, right? Let's eat after you get dressed.
Great!